Hey guys,
Diba?
we are going to a new coffee shop.
Called...
I did not have a hard time looking for this spot because I always drive around here going to Glass House. Hi! Iko, visit me! So guys, nasa Ateneo kami, Archaga branch. Video shot.
I look naked.
My ate and my other ate. Mag-order din ako ng Hojicha latte na ice.
Chalaki mo is hot.
Sorry. Sige. Hot na lang.
Hindi siya hot.
Okay. Busy kayo masyado.
It's kind of overwhelming kasi very low-key lang yung environment kasi hindi alam yung market. That's why wala pang push mo talaga.
Wait, like after college, nag-Janfan ka na talaga?
Oh, sold out ng churros. Sold out ng churros.
How about tuna, ma'am? Napakay tuna sandwich po.
1 hour. Tagal kita si
Gusto niyo sandwich? I-reserve kami for churros.
Ikaw, sali ka sa vlog ko. I got a Hojicha with regular milk. I don't know how to judge Hojicha and matcha. I'm more of a pour-over person that I know how to judge.
Pinot lagi akong angle biro. Diri yung pangit.
Who's more likely to smash a car window? 890.
Ano?
Mga pang-breakfast food.
Lasa na yung French toast.
French toast sila. Kasi next month.
Kapag yung location, kaya ka mo na.
Delete ako mag-congratulations sa...
dito, parking.
Fit check.
Wait, aesthetic na dito.
Hello, nice. Wala
As
pa
well,
dito.
no?
Wala pa yung mga plants.
Check.
Kasi may shower sila.
Teka, nagkamera yung
Fit check. Fit check.